Hi everyone, well we're in Cornwall, we're at a place called Bradleigh Lodge. Later on, probably tomorrow, we'll have a picture of the front of the house. It's like a big house, and what we've booked is a deluxe studio, and this is perfect for us for these couple of nights. We've got a lovely king size bed, the television actually swings out, we've got a little eating area. Obviously we'll pull that chair around here so we can sit there. But there is breakfast served in the garden room in the morning, so we'll be going down for breakfast. But this evening I brought us a Charlie Bingham's pre-packed meal, and we're just going to have that sat here and a couple of glasses of wine. We've got there's a washing machine in here, washer dryer, we've got convector oven top, full oven, and a lovely little fridge. As you can see, plenty of wine in there. I've got to put the tonics in there. And then we've got a couple of glasses and plates, a little tea tray here with milk on, the coffee we've brought with us, and this is our own, but they've put fairy liquid. I mean, it's very well thought out actually. There's a couple of glasses there that if you want to put a gin and tonic in those, you can do. Lovely big bin. And outside we've got a lovely balcony. I think John may have filmed that, have you? This is a lovely big wardrobe. I love the quirkiness of, I don't know if John showed you that's it, there's a knack to it. Showed you the carpet, this is all our gear, but it's a lovely big wardrobe, shelves up there, plenty of space for your luggage underneath. There's a lovely leopard skin carpet out there, it's absolutely lovely. And then this is the bathroom. Nice little place to hang your robe, and then you've got lovely, this is, you turn it on and the temperature comes up, and you can just, if you want the temperature up, you just turn it round and it turns the temperature up. Nice bath stove, lovely brass tub, that's an underfloor heating for in the morning. Nice shaving mirror, John likes a shaving mirror. This is a heated mirror so it doesn't get all yucky, steamed up. It's absolutely lovely. And I did say to John, the only thing I do find is this is very small for all my bathroom cosmetics. But in actual fact, all I really need here is to have my toothpaste and my cleansers. So, and there's a little shelf there I can use as well. Because I have decided the bulk of my makeup, which is vast, is going over there where my handbag is. So this, I think, and Martin, we've met Martin, the owner, absolutely lovely. We've met Lynn, who I believe is the housekeeper. Fellow Northerner, yeah. And they've got, you know, things are really nicely done. The little side tables. I believe I've got a leopard skin one round here. Yes, I have. So you've got somewhere to stand your water on an evening. There's USB points. It's just lovely. And they have got, I'm sure tomorrow we'll get the garden, won't we, on? We'll get the gardening, because we've been downstairs. We went into the garden, and the garden room where you have breakfast. And the garden is just absolutely lovely with a lovely water feature in it. The place is not overwhelming. This is a lovely size for us, but the whole place is not overwhelming. I think they have 4 or 5 different little studios here. Some of them have spiral staircases up to them and things like that. I didn't want that because we've got to carry our bags up. So I wanted everything as easy as we could possibly get it, and I think this suits us perfect. Would you agree, John?
Yeah, it's not noisy either when you think there's a lot of traffic out there.
Yeah,
on the main road.
we're actually on quite a main road. So it's not noisy, it's good double glazing. So that's very lucky. Oh, and I'll show you what folks, Joanne, oh, where's that? I put it in the cards in there. Joanne has given us a beautiful bottle of wine for our anniversary, and she's put money in the bank for a meal for us as well, which is just far too kind. She's an absolute darling. But that's a delicious wine, a Purifume. It's absolutely lovely. So thank you, Joanne. We'll absolutely love that. And I've got a couple of bottles here for the next couple of days, because we are going out for a meal on Friday night. We'll take you guys with us so you can see where we're going. We're going out tomorrow lunchtime into Mevagissey, which is a beautiful little harbour town where John's stepmother lives. So there's a few places, and then Friday we're going off with the National Trust. We're going to see a couple of their places around this area, and there's some beauties. So yeah, things to look forward to. I'm absolutely shattered. So bye for now.